Okay, then so to design this, I'm going to use design. So let's go to design, and let's search form here. Form, yeah, here is it. Okay, design takes some time to load for some reason, even if your internet is good. Oh, it is taking too much time. My internet is good. It's still loading. Okay. Hmm, that's not good. All right, so the page is finally loaded and we have some example of forms. So let's see which one matches our need. So we have a name, our email address, and password. So for that, I think we can take the first one, the basic one. So let's expand the code from here. Okay, so we have a basic example of design form. So how do we use it? So we have to wrap it inside the form component. So then we have to give it a name, and we can define the label call and the wrapper column. That means how much width this is going to take, like the wrapper label column and the input field. So we are not going to do that, so we do not need this part. So we'll need this one, and we'll need onFinish function and onFinish failed function, sorry, failed props. So I'll just take the import the design form first. So inside our form, I'll just import the design form, and inside that we have to pass some props. So we have to give it a name. So I'll name it register form. Okay. And then we have a onFinish function and a onFinish failed function. So we'll just take these functions from here. All right. And then we'll take this one. Okay. So what else do we need? We will be needing the form input form item. So I'll just copy it from here. Okay. So I'm not going to use the design input. I'm going to use regular input. Okay. And then if you see here, you have a label that says username, and the name is what the name rules. Okay, and the name here is how you'll be getting the data in your values. So whatever name you give the form dot item, you'll be getting the input fields value with that with that name in like a key value pair, right? So first of all, what do we have in our sign up page? We have our name. So I'll just, instead of username, I'll just name it just name, and the name should be okay. I will leave the label. I will create different label for it, separate label for it. Okay, what do we have? Then we have our email address. So in the input field, I'll add a placeholder. Let's say enter name, right? Okay, and we'll have need the email address. So I'll take the form item and paste it twice. So this one will be email. Input your name. So here I will say type email, and for this one the type is text, and for this one I'll type password. Password. Okay, input your, what one is email, and I'll say email here too. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we have our email field, our name field, email field, and our password field. Now we have to handle the styling. Okay. All right. So I think we can remove this form here. So I can just put it here and remove the form. Okay. Let's see. All right. It works the same. And then for the input fields, okay. So for the input fields, I will create a default input for all of the inputs I have. So I'll take a class name, default input. All right. And then the auth.css. Sorry, instead of auth.css, I'll do it in the common.css because this is going to be a common input field style. Form styling, default input. Okay, let's put them side by side. All right, now it's better to see. Okay, and I will add it a height of 40 pixel. Okay, and border should be none. Background color is BG gray. Is it BG gray? Let's go to the design. No, it's not BG gray. It is actually different color. So let's see if we have that color. Okay, and I will take that to our variables, and let's see if we have that. So yeah, we have that border light blue. So the background color is border light blue. Okay, so if I click on it, I have a outline here. So I will do outline none. Now if I click on it, I do not have any outline. I will add a border radius of 8 pixel maybe. Oh, 5 pixel, let's do 5. Okay, I'm not following the design 100%, but you should, because I just have to move as fast as possible. Padding, I'll do padding should be 10 pixel by 20 pixel. Okay, maybe 20 pixel is too much. Let's do 10 for this one too, or maybe 15. Okay, now we have to add a border color also. So if I select it, so it has a border color. So let's see if we have that. Oh, it's primary light. All right, so the background color would be primary light, and then I'll add a border. Let's remove the border none from here. Border 1px solid border light blue. Okay, okay, that's better. And let's do width of 100%. Okay, I should give the whole form component a z index, so it is not under the like these two divs. So let's do 99. Okay. What is the z index for this one? It's 50, right? Okay. Okay, now it's fine. And also we should add some padding to auth form. So let's see what is the padding. It should be around 40 pixels. So let's do 40 pixels. And now I'll go back to the full screen. Okay. So now we have an input field ready, right? So I'll give the same class name to all of the input fields. So let me go back and copy this. Okay. For this one and to this one. All right, so now we have our input fields ready. Then what do we have to do? We have to give it a, we have the registration and the another text, title and the subtitle. So I'll add those here. The registration and sorry, not here. Okay, that should be good. Oh, my bad. What did I do? Oh, it's a flex layout, right? So our auth wrapper is a flex layout. Oh, this should be inside the form. Okay, now it should be good. Yeah. So we have to make them text center. So I already have some utility classes here. So I think I have text center here. So I'll just add that class name. Okay, I have to add it to both the elements. Okay, class name text center. Let's see. Yeah. And for the p tag, I will add some padding bottom. So let's see if I have any utility class for padding. Yeah. margin 5. Okay, I do not have any for margin bottom, so let's do margin bottom 5. Let's do 10 actually, and margin bottom, let's do 3 rem, and I'll add that to the P class, margin bottom 10. Okay, that's good. Registration. Again, I'm not going to follow the design 100% because that will take too much time. And then I have to add the label. Does it have any label? No, it doesn't have any label. That's good. Okay. So now I'll need the buttons. So for that, oh, I forgot to add the icons. So do I have the icons here? Let's see. Yeah, I did add the icons. Okay. I think we have some icons in the in end design. Let's see. Let's see. That's the good thing about using end design. Hmm. We should have something like a prefix to add icons. Yeah, here, see this one. Okay, so to add those, you have to add a prefix to your input field, right? So to do that, I'll just take the icon. So I think the taking the SVG will take too much time. So I'll just go to React icon because we already have React icon you added, and I'll search the profile. Okay, not profile, maybe user. Yeah, I'll take this one. And as your input field, right, as prefix, we can just add the, sorry, we can just add it here. I have to import it, of course. Okay, for the name, let's see how it looks. Okay, it is not working. All right. Oh, I think, well, we're not using the and design input. That's why. So I have to use the and design input after all. Okay, now let's see. All right, so now we have it. Now we have the icon. I'll just increase the size a little bit. Size 20. Okay. And then we have the mail icon and the password icon. So for that, I'll do mail. Okay. Uh, yeah, let's do this one. All right. So it is for the email. So in here, the prefix mail and then import it. Okay. Yeah, we have it. Now we have to do the size. What is it? Size. So 20. And then we'll need another one for our password. So should be lock. Okay, let's take which one should I take? Yeah, this one. Okay. Not auto importing, so I have to import it. And for the input field, I should give it a color. So color should be gray, text gray. Okay, now it's looking better. Yeah. Okay, why is this happening? Let's go back. Type password. Oh, we have the same name here. So we get the same name for to our name and also for password. So we should change it to password. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, if you can see, I didn't add any validations or anything here, right? For validations, I just added some rules to the form item, right? So for the name, the rule is simple. It is required, right? So please input your name, right? And for the email, please input your email. So for this one, I think I can do type email maybe. Yeah. So if it is not email, I can give it a message, not a valid email, right? So let's see. Yeah, see, not a valid email. And then if I enter a valid email, yeah, it goes away, right? So you do not have to handle the validations with any other library, or if you do it manually, so you do not have to do that. You can just add the rules here, and Antizen will handle the input validation by default. And for password, we can do like a min length, right? So let's say min length 6. So and it is less than 6, then we should show password should be uh, longer than 6 characters. Okay, so now if I try to password 1234, say it shows that password should be longer than 6 characters. Okay, and if I do not give any password or anything, yeah, please input your name. So for this one, for the form component, I think I should auth form, right? So let's go to auth form. Maybe make it flex. Let's see. Display flex. Uh, Flex direction column and give it a gap of 10 pixel. Okay, let's reload. Okay, I think we have some gap now. Yeah. Okay, now that looks better. All right.